What is up, everyone? Mousanz here. Today I'm gonna make a very spontaneous video because I want to show you something that I bought today, and this is a little device that I've been putting my eyes on for the past months, so I'm very excited to try it on. Let's try the Google Home Mini. So, ever since I was a little child, I've been excited by the concept of smart homes. Even before they even existed, movies like Spy Kids inspired me to dream about homes being like technological and being all that kind of cool stuff. So, when I heard about these devices like Alexa and Google Home Mini, and now that they've reached a point in which they are pretty affordable, I decided why not give them a go. We're gonna unbox this Google Home Mini and see what the fuss is all about, to see if it's actually up there with the cool devices that I used to dream of, and to see what's lacking. Let's go right now. Let's roll some B-roll of me opening this thing. B-roll in here, then in here. Okay, ready to go. Alright, that's enough B-roll. Oh shit. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Are you guys ready? Wow. Feels expensive, even though it really was not. Doesn't smell like anything. Feels kinda nice. Let's see, I'm gonna put the camera in here. Hopefully the camera won't fall off. So what we have here is the Google Home Mini, the device itself, of course, as you saw. Really nice, really compact. My hand is not too big, I can grab it with my whole hand. I would say it's like a baseball ball. Then inside the box we have this thing. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Plug it in, get the app, get to know your Google Home Mini. Just start with Google. Okay, this is kind of scary. Okay, I'm too lazy to read all this, so I'll just trust Google. Hopefully I won't regret it in 10 years when it's the Armageddon and they're like Skynet. This is the cable to plug it in. Oh, this is kind of fancy. I like this. I like this plug. It's futuristic. Okay, so this is like an Android connection. Isn't anything else in here? Should I break the box? Oh no, there's nothing else in here. Let's plug it in. Nothing in here is best. Okay, now on the top. Now the cord needs to go over here. And I have to plug this thing in here. Okay. Oh, look. The lights are on. Hello, Google. Happy birthday. Okay. Oh, well, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay. On to it. Okay, so now I'm downloading this Google Home. Google.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So this is the Google Home app. Okay, create another home. I changed the settings for the Google Home thingy, and I changed the settings for my phone, and apparently I managed to get it to speak in a British accent. Say something.
Hey there, how can I help?
Thank you. Google, would you like to get to know me better?
This is just my opinion, so take it with a pinch of salt. But I think you're rather splendid.
Thank you. I think you're rather splendid too. Do you know my name?
Your name is MK.
Kind of, but not quite. Can you call me Mr. Mousanz?
You'd like me to call you Mr. Mousanz. Is that right?
Yes.
Got it. I'll call you Mr. Mousanz from now on.
Thank you so much. What time is it right now?
It's 12:25.
Where are we now?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help! Just kidding. I like it in here.
You're funny.
Oh, stop it, you.
What do you think about Siri?
Siri gets my full respect. Being an assistant is hard work.
She's right, you know? So far, it's pretty interesting. I'm gonna have a deep conversation with this device. I can sense it. Anyways, this was a short video, kind of random, but I wanted to share it with you guys this moment. Hope you guys like it. If you like what you saw, keep watching my videos, subscribe, hit the bell for the notifications, and follow me on Instagram and YouTube and Twitter and Facebook and all that kind of stuff. And till the next one.
Fare thee well.